Claude has recently released the style thing. What that basically mean? It basically mean now you can go and choose the style of response you want from the Claude AI. And this is a game changer, and this can make Claude ahead of the ChatGPT. Why? Because now you have a different style for different purpose. It's not general purpose AI, it's your personalized AI. And not only that, you can actually create your custom style. That means you can just upload your way of speaking, like a YouTube video where you are speaking like this. Go and get the transcript, feed it to this style system, create your customized style, and then use it for a specific purpose. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use what are these styles and why these are really powerful killer. So now let's see how we can use all these things. First of all, you need to go to the Claude.ai, and whether you are a pro user or a free user, this is for you. That means you can go here while you are writing the chat thing, you are now getting the option to choose the style. Normal is the way we all are used to with the ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI model. But here we have the concise, which is shorter answer with more messages. Then we have an explanatory, which is educational response from the learning, and the formal one, which is clear, well-structured response. So if you choose this and say that I want to write an email for my appraisal, and then see how this is going to respond with your formal styling. And here we go, we have this email written in a formal way. You can use it in any style. But the best part is, while the conversation is on in a single chat, you can change the response every time. So next I will say, hey, give me the concise. So give me the summary. Now this time I have chosen the concise, which is going to be very crisp, well structured, and this time it's going to return all these things with a summary. And now it has performance, key section, core structure, and much more. This is really powerful thing. Now let's take it to the next level. You can just create your own style. Click on the choose style, click on create and edit style, and then click finally create custom style. This is a custom style, which basically means whatever you want, it's going to get that for you. And how you create? Suppose you have a YouTube video, and in that video you are speaking just like I'm doing here. You can grab the transcript and feed it directly to this custom style. You can directly paste it or upload a file. Both will going to work. I will choose pasting the content. So I will go to one of my video. This is the video I have created for Cursor AI, and now I will go show transcript, and I will just go and toggle the timestamps, and then I'm going to copy each and everything for this video. Now I have the full transcript. I'm going to paste it, and the best part is it's not going to store this thing in the style. It's going to extract your way of saying things in the way you want. So now click on create style. It's going to analyze your writing way, analyze your speaking way, and then come up with really amazing style for you. Let's see what this is giving up. Okay, now you can see this is saying the title is Tech Storyteller, and the summary is delivering high energy, informative tech content with consistent, engaging presentation. This is like exactly what I create for my YouTube video. My videos are full of energy, informative technical content with consistent, engaging presentation. This is really what I want for every YouTube video script. Now this is done, but how you are going to test it out? The best part is you can test it right in this format. On the right side you will see preview with an example. You can ask to write a short story. Now this time it's going to use your way of style and then write a short story. Let's see what this come up with. And now you can see it is coming up with a short story which having the style of Sarthak saying something. You can also test it with the marketing blog, writing an email, and many more things. So once you are happy with the response it's getting, then you can just click this cross button, and then if you go and choose this style, a new style is already added which is called Tech Storyteller. That's really nice. Choose that style, ask the Claude whatever you want, and it will going to give the response in your own way. Now what if after a few iterations you still think that this style need an update? Then just go here, click on the create and edit style, click on your style you want to update or edit, and then you have option to edit with Claude, or you can go on the options section and say edit it manually. Here is all you need for the update of this style in your own way. But I generally like to have a conversation with Claude about updating or making this style more concise and effective. After making changes, either from here or manually, you can again test it, and if you are happy, then just say save changes and you are good to go. But if you are entirely want to get rid of this, just go and say delete style and that style is removed. Wow, that's so easy. But with this kind of updates in the Claude AI, what do you think? Is this going to challenge the ChatGPT? Because I have moved from ChatGPT to Claude because of the features like this in the Claude AI. Which is why I think Claude is the leading and the #1 AI chat in the market today. What do you think? What is your favorite feature of the Claude? Or do you still use ChatGPT or Claude? Let me know in the comment section, because the best comment will going to get one Udemy course of your choice. I'm going to announce the winner in the next video, and for that you need to write a better comment in this YouTube video. And don't forget to subscribe to this beautiful YouTube channel and follow me on various other platforms at Sarthak Savvy. See you next time. Till then, goodbye.